My father passed away a couple of years ago, and when I was looking through the computer to find those pictures of our last Christmas together, I couldn't find them. It was a feeling that I never want to experience again. It felt like I was going to have a heart attack. I had not only lost my father, but I had also felt like I lost the pictures, and therefore I was letting him down. I was on Facebook and I came across the ThePhotoStick, and it promises that it would save all of my photographs and videos in one space. I'm going to plug this in right here. All right, I'm going to open this up. And the nice thing is I don't have to install any software or anything. Now the directions say I just have to click this go button. So there I go. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how quickly it is finding all of these files. It has searched 1,109 folders. It has found over 2,200 photos and videos. It's even found my duplicates and those that I've already saved. It's amazing. And one of the great features of this product is that it will sort and organize. Now, with all of these photos and videos saved in one place, I can find that one special moment without having a heart attack and wondering, oh my gosh, did I delete that photo, or which computer is it on? Thousands of photographs and videos all in one place.